See the little bit of elevator we got?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, which way is the wind coming from? That way?
Yeah, I think straight ahead. Of course, Mike's making this look easy.
Huh?
Says you're making this look easy. I hope I'm recording. I can't tell with the sun. I think I am. Yeah, so you can do a knife's edge. I can't. I still can't do it even in the simulator.
Yeah, the wind's pushing me over us.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, it's definitely windy.
That's what I thought. Nice.
So this thing is supposed to have the safe system. There it is.
Right. If you hit the recovery button, does it recover?
Yeah, but that's it.
Oh, okay, yeah. Automatically writes you? Yeah.
Can't really do anything nice because the wind's spooked me all over.
Yeah. Nice.
Okay, so you're going to do implement turn. That's not just this. There, and then come back around.
Halfway and then roll? Okay. Yeah, I've been practicing those in the simulator.
Yeah, it's just too crazy. I can't really do anything. You can do 8, but it's just more fighting to keep it away from the land.
Right.
Flying. Yeah, okay, it's stupid. Alright, let's see if I can go for a landing.
That wind's not letting you drop, is it? Yeah. Yeah, I thought it was going to be too windy, but...
Well, it's been windy, but it just got a little bit breezier right when I came in.
Yeah. That's crazy. There you go. Nice.